In today's Entertainment City, the guys from Linkin Park tell us why fans shouldn't be angry about their new pop sound. But first, Will Arnett tells us about laughter's role in his life and gives a little hint about his mysterious new project. Toronto boy Will Arnett was back in his homeland this weekend, trading LA for the red carpet in the 6 as the MC for the 3rd annual Laughter is the Best Medicine Gala, a fundraiser for Michael Garron Hospital. And as Arnett tells Terry Hart, this is a prescription he recommends.
I will say that laughter will make you feel better, more than, any sort of drug or substance you can take. So.
Tell me a little bit about that in your life, when you've resorted to laughter, when comedy has been the thing that you realize, that's going to get me through.
Well, it's funny, I said to my dad recently, within the last couple of years, I said, who knew that goofing around was going to pay off so well? You know what I'm talking about? I just kind of made it my life. I fell into it backwards a little bit, but, I always think that I'm very, very lucky, I'm very fortunate that I get to do what I do. And if I'm doing my job well, people are enjoying themselves. That's like the best. I couldn't think of doing anything better than that, other than finding like $1 billion cash. That would be amazing.
Want to know what else is amazing? Arnett's bringing back one of TV's most delightful oddities, the amateur talent competition, The Gong Show. He's executive producing, and he's tapped Tommy Maitland to host. Funny thing is, Tommy Maitland sure looks a lot like Mike Myers in disguise.
Gong Show is coming to City TV in July, and can you give us a little hint of who Tommy Maitland is? Like, who is this guy that we're going to be introduced to?
Tommy Maitland is a terrific veteran comedian who I was a fan of. Not a lot of people were as familiar with him over on this side of the pond, and I had the opportunity to meet him, and he was just kind of always one of my just pure joke comedy icon idols. And we decided to put the Gong Show back together, and I thought this would be a great venue for Tommy and for his sensibility. So we're excited.
Oh, what a tangled web you weave, Will Arnett. Tune in tomorrow for our chat with Tommy Maitland himself, or maybe Mike Myers.
Why is everything so heavy?
Linkin Park is veering in a new direction with their 7th studio album, One More Light, out Friday. The band, known for alt-rock, heads into melodic pop territory with this one, and it has some of their fans up in arms. Frontman Chester Bennington made headlines late last week when he told those fans to, quote, move the on. Now, shortly before that, he and his bandmate Mike Shinoda explained the reason for Linkin Park's evolving style to Terry.
It's never been like a one-sided coin for us.
There was a concept record, there was an electronic record, there was a super heavy like metal record, and now there's this one.
And this record is so not heavy.
I feel like for us, Hybrid Theory was the name of the band before it was Linkin Park. Like, that's been our mission statement from day one, and that's just what we do. Every album has been challenging to ourselves and challenging to the fans in different ways.
And coming up tomorrow, we are catching up with Meatloaf. Oh yeah, don't miss it.